it. All right, let's go outside. Typically, you get that noise first thing in the morning. Cold, it'll just start tapping. All right. Y'all hear it? Y'all hear that? Ladies and gentlemen, that is not a Valtrain ticket noise. Yes, it sounds like it's right here. Look, see how it just stopped? All of a sudden it just stopped because the cam phaser, the spring mechanism inside the phaser likely caught up with itself. So I'm gonna do my cam phaser test once I get the valve cover off. All right, and from there I will inspect the rocker arms and the lifters to see if they are coming apart.